Federalism Part 4. In the previous video, we have learned about the center-state relation. In this video, we are going to learn about decentralization in India. We have seen the federal governments have two or more types of government. But a vast country like India cannot be run only through these two types of government. States in India are as large as independent countries of Europe. In terms of population, UP is bigger than Russia, Maharashtra is bigger than Germany. Many of these states are internally very diverse. So, there is a need for power sharing within these states. Federal power sharing in India needs another tier of government below the state government. So, power is taken away from central and state government and given to local government is called decentralization. Thus, our country needs a third tier of government called local government. The basic idea behind decentralization is that there are large number of problems and issues which are best settled at local level. People can directly participate in decision making to inculcate the habit of democratic participation. They have better knowledge of the problems and their localities and how to manage things more effectively. So, problems and issues are best settled at local level. In the beginning, panchayat in villages and municipalities in urban areas were set up in all the states, but elections to these local bodies were not held regularly and did not have power and resources of their own. Thus, there was very little decentralization in effective term. Major steps was taken in 1992. The constitution was amended to make the third tier of the government more powerful and effective. Regular elections to local government became mandatory. States seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and backward classes. 1/3 of the seats reserved for women. State Election Commission conduct panchayat and municipal election. A state government share powers and revenue with the local bodies. The rural local self-government known as Panchayati Raj came into existence, which have three tiers. विलेज पंचायत, ब्लॉक समिति, जिला परिषद. Each village or group of villages has a gram panchayat consisting of panch and sarpanch, headmen of the village. Few gram panchayat are grouped together to form a block samiti, panchayat samiti or mandal. All the panchayat samitis in district together form Jila Parishad. Local bodies of a small towns called municipality headed by municipal chairperson, and big town called municipal corporation headed by mayor. Thus, new system of local government is the largest experiment in democracy conducted anywhere in the world. Thanks.